Baby Pip!
Hello, little friends. I am Baby Pip. Welcome to my channel. Today we will learn the colours of the rainbow with surprise Play-Doh lollipops. I can't wait to unwrap all these colourful lollipops and see what's inside. Are you curious too? Cool, let's have a look together.
Play-Doh time!
Oh, I see Helping Hands has arrived to help us with unwrapping the lollipops. Where shall we start, Helping Hands? Ooh, our first lollipop is pink. This colour is called pink, and pink is the colour of flamingos or cotton candy or bubble gum. All things sweet. I love pink. I love this colour. But what I really want to see is what's inside the pink lollipop. Wow! This is so amazing. Look at that. There's Elsa and there's Anna from Frozen. It's a game. It has a little marble inside and you roll it around and play the game. We can play as much as we want. It's so sweet. Let's put that to one side because there are still so many more colours to see. Oh, this is the colour red. Red, 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 red. I like red. Red like strawberries. Red like cherries. I love the colour red. What's inside the red lollipop? Oh, I can see it. It's Anna from Frozen. It's a little doll. Tiny little plastic figurine. It's so cute. How nice. Next colour, next colour, next colour. Ooh, this lollipop is orange. 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 Orange like an orange. Orange like a pumpkin. Let's see what's inside the orange lollipop. Wow! It's a Hello Kitty keyring and she looks like a fairy. So cute. I love it. What's the next colour of the rainbow, Helping Hands? I'll get that for you. Now this is yellow. Yellow, yellow, yellow. Yellow is so bright. Yellow is so beautiful. Yellow like the sun. Yellow like lemons. I like lemons. I like yellow. Show us what's inside the yellow lollipop, Helping Hands. Ooh! It's Grandpappy from Frozen. I adore him. He's great at giving good advice. I'm so happy I have a pappy now, but I want to see more. Show me the next lollipop. Next lollipop. Oh, I know this colour. I know this colour, Helping Hands. This colour is green. Green like grass. Green like lettuce. I like green because green is the colour of nature. But I want to know what's inside the green lolly. Green, green, green. Oh, wow. Look at that. It's a keyring, an Angry Birds keyring. That's so nice. I would never imagine that inside the green lollipop. I never thought there'd be an angry bird. More lollies, Helping Hands. Show us more. Oh, finally, one of my favourite colours. Blue. Blue. Blue like me. Blue like the sky. Blue, 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 blue is so cute. I bet there's something very nice inside this blue lolly. Show us, Helping Hands. Ooh, another Hello Kitty keyring. But this time she's holding flowers. That's so lovely. I'm going to put this one on my school bag, Helping Hands. I'm never tired of surprises. I want to see what's the next lollipop. Violet. The colour of this lollipop is violet. violet. Violet like grapes. What's inside our violet lollipop helping hands? It's Kristoff from Frozen. He's my favourite. I got so many nice Frozen toys inside these amazing colourful Play-Doh lollies. I loved it. Wow, everyone, that was amazing. We learned the colours pink, red, orange, yellow, green, blue and violet. Well done, everyone. I had so much fun learning the colours, and the rainbow is so beautiful. I hope you liked it too. See you next time. Bye. Hello again, my little friends. Click on the box next to me to learn the ABC alphabet with more fun Play-Doh. I'll see you there.